Where Did the Water Go? By Amy Hansen. Why does water change? Water changes its form when the temperature changes. When water is very cold, water is a solid. When it is warm, water is a liquid. When it is hot, water boils and part of it becomes a gas. This kind of water vapor is very hot. It spreads out quickly. How do water molecules change? Water is made of tiny units called molecules. Molecules are so small you would need a super strong microscope to see them. The molecules are the same in each form of water, but they are arranged differently. Do you know why water is called H2O? Every water molecule is made of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. The abbreviation for this is H2O. When water is cold, it is a solid called ice. The water molecules line up. They are cold, so they hardly move. The solid holds its shape. When water is warm, it is a liquid. The water molecules do not line up. They have some energy from heat, so they move around. A liquid cannot hold its shape. When water is hot, it is a gas called water vapor. The molecules have a lot of energy from the heat. They zip around. The gas takes up all the space it can. Water also becomes a gas if the air is dry. This is why puddles dry out and why your towel will dry if you spread it out.
So as we add heat to water, the water molecules begin moving faster, and some of them spread out and form a gas. We call that gas water vapor, and that's what's inside the bubbles you see. These bubbles rise to the surface, and this is what we call boiling. So we'll start with the water molecule. The red is oxygen, and the 2 white atoms are hydrogen. That's H2O. Water molecules are always moving. When we add heat, they move faster, and if we add enough heat, they'll spread out and they'll form a gas. We call that gas water vapor. Note that there's nothing between the atoms here. The black is empty space. To understand why bubbles form during boiling, imagine a group of water molecules, and as you add heat, some of them spread out and form a gas, water vapor. When they spread out, they push the molecules around them away, and that forms the bubble that you see. That bubble rises to the surface. That's boiling. Remember, there are only water molecules in those bubbles. They're very energetic water molecules in the form of a gas, which we call water vapor.
Solid. Liquid.